Hello everyone and welcome, it's Shanna. Now I have got the Simple Stories Simple Cards card kit. It is the Simple Vintage Lavender Fields. And I have had this in my craft room. I've done, I don't know, I think I did 3 of the cards with it. But I want to get this out of my craft room. So basically what I did was I pulled apart all of the pieces and I folded the card bases, didn't score them, and I just tucked all of the little bits for the different sketches inside of it. Now here I'm zooming in so that you can see better what I'm doing. But I decided that I'm going to get this kit out of my craft room, and I'm going to get all these cards made. So we're going to get them made on here tonight. And so I have pulled the pieces that each sketch calls for. I can't speak. And I'm just going to get to assembling this and get these things put together. And this kit is going to be gone. So it says to select the solid purple and ephemera pattern background panel and adhere it horizontally to the card base. And then add the dark brown lavender floral strip across the bottom of the card base. It says 1/4 inch up. I didn't measure, I just eyeballed. My goal was to get this thing assembled and so that I would not have the rest of this kit laying in my craft room. Now I was really tired and I was like, what am I going to do? So I thought this is something that I could do because I had all the instructions, all of the pieces, super simple. The card bases were ready. I will link all the materials in the description box below so you can check it out. But so next it calls for adding the light cream rose and purple blossom piece to the left edge of the ephemera strip. So that's what we're going to do. And then we're going to add the large honey jar to the top edge there. And we'll just get some glue down on there. And this one you're going to add lots of honey jars. So next we're going to add the small honey jar. And then we're going to add the skinny one. We're going to tuck it under. Right now I'm laying the purple flower piece to the top right edge of the dark brown floral strip according to the instructions. Here I'm going to get the honey jar and lay it down there. I was getting ahead of myself. And then we're going to grab the small one. We're just going to layer a bunch of honey jars together on this according to the instructions. And I'm going to need to tuck this kind of thin, medium-sized one in there. And then we're going to add to that the stack of honeycomb. And we've just got a little honeycomb piece, and we're just going to add it to that. And then I realized there was another floral piece that I forgot. So we're just going to tuck it in, and then we can add our honeycomb piece. And I had some extra pieces, and I thought, well, they give you some extra ones, but I realized that I needed to add that extra flower to this one. So we're just going to add the honeycomb piece to it. And then we're going to add the chipboard Believe to the top of it. And so we'll have a nice little sentiment there and get it laid down. And then we've got Yourself, which is also a chipboard piece. And we're going to add that just below it. So we've got Believe in Yourself. And then we have 3 striped chipboard honeybees that we're going to add. And I'm just going to add them according to the sketch, and we're going to get them laid down on there. And this is our first card. So it came together pretty quickly. Like I said, I was really tired and I didn't want to think. And I was like, what am I going to do? And so I thought, well, we'll just use this card kit. And we've got all the sketches laid out for us. And I can follow instructions and even when I'm tired. So I'm just going to dot my glue. And you'll notice I'm putting just kind of dots of glue. I learned from May that if you do that, you can move them around a bit easier than if you kind of make strips of glue. If you have like little puddles of glue, your pattern paper or your cardstock will be a little bit more movable. So I've started doing that. So for this one, we're going to get our first layer down. which is the yellow, floral, and solid dark yellow. And then we're going to bring in the honeycomb strip and lay it down. And then we're going to add the yellow dot rectangle with a brown border to the center and create a little frame. And I am literally following these sketches to the T because I just don't want to think tonight. And so we'll lay that down. And then we're going to add our lavender bunch with a yellow bow to the center of the yellow dot rectangle. So this is a super fun and easy kit for a beginner. If you've never made handmade cards, this is where you start. Grab this kit and get started because it does all the work for you. I will link the materials in the description box below. And if you like, consider hitting that like button. So I am adding the chipboard down there. We've got Just Believe, Just Because, and we're laying it down there on our yellow ribbon. And then we're going to add the light purple and small dark purple chipboard hearts to the top left center of our card. So we're just going to add those, and they'll add some dimension. I tucked the other one in, and we are going to move on to our next card. Now this one is a fun card because we've kind of got like a window scene. And we have got the yellow pattern and yellow floral background panel that we're going to get laid down on here. And I'm going to score it, just give it a good score. And we'll get the pattern paper laid down on there. And then next we're going to add the yellow honeycomb strip with yellow edges. And it says 1/4 inch up. I didn't measure, I just eyeballed. We'll get it laid down on there. And that was my ice maker, if you heard that in the background. Evidently it just dropped a bunch of ice and made a really loud noise. So we've got our honeycomb laid down there. And next we're going to add the windowsill, and it says place to the top of the honeycomb strip. So we're just going to lay it to the top. And then we're going to add the basket of lavender on top of the basket of lavender. So basically we're just going to layer it up and just add some dimension there. We've already got that basket there. We're going to lay it right on top and just add the dimension. And then we're going to use the floral thing that says Keep Shining Bright. And it's got a cluster of flowers, and we're just going to add it to the bottom right corner of the shelf. And then we're going to bring in our Hey Friend sentiment, and we're going to add it to the top right of our window. And then we're going to bring in the light purple chipboard, and we're going to get it laid down there kind of on the crisscross of the window. And then we will add the large light and medium dark purple hearts to the left and right of the floral clusters. And that will finish off this card. And we've got some great clustering, and they're just a lot of interest to these cards and super simple. So we're going to move on to the next one. This one's called the Sweetest Honey card. And we're going to select the cream, lavender, floral, and ephemera background panel. And we're going to get it laid down on there. And again, I'm just pooling my glue so that I'll have movability. Get it laid down on my card base. Give it a good press. And we're going to add the dark yellow dot strip with newsprint edges. And there's just the finest little edge of newsprint on these. And we're just going to get it laid down on there. It moved on me, so we got to straighten it up. I'm not measuring anything. I'm just eyeballing everything, giving it a good press. And then it says to add the floral wreath piece to the center of the card. So I had to pop out the center area. There was a floral in there and then kind of a cut apart, and I just cut that away. And so we'll get that wreath laid down on there. And then we're going to add the honey jar with a blank label to the right side of the floral wreath. Now it's nice and detailed. It says blank labeled because we've had lots of other honey jars. And so to distinguish between which piece goes where, they've labeled it quite nicely. So you know that this is the one with a blank label. And we are going to add next the dripping honeycomb to the left side of the honey jar. So we'll just grab that and we'll get it laid down on there. And then our next step is to add the chipboard sweet floral sentiment along the top edge of the dripping honeycomb piece. And we'll get it laid down on there. And then we're going to add the as honey, so we've got the sentiment sweet as honey on there. And next we're just going to lay 3 bees on, chipboard bees onto the card as embellishment. And I'm just following the picture and putting them where they show it. And it comes together very quickly. So we're getting several cards put together very quickly, and I think they look lovely. And I am getting this out of my craft room. So we've got one more, and we are going to do, this one's called your golden card. And it's got a beautiful floral pattern here. This is called the purple lavender floral and dark purple dot background panel. And then we're going to add the pattern strip with the yellow edges to the right edge of the dark purple dot pattern. So basically we are going to just cover up most of the polka dot purple except on the left side. And then we are going to take these 2 white floral and cream rose and purple blossom clusters, and we're going to add 1 to the top and 1 to the bottom of the ephemera strip. And these are really pretty. These are some big pieces of ephemera. And then I'll just give you a quick look at it. I think it looks really pretty. And you can see we've got a lot of layering going on. Then we're going to bring in the green library card. And we're going to place it to the top left edge of the ephemera. And just kind of at an angle. And then we're going to bring in our straw hat. And this is a beautiful and large piece of ephemera. And we're going to get it laid down on there. And just look at the layering. I don't think I would normally think to layer this many items on there. So it's kind of fun to play with this kit and just kind of expand on your layering. So next we're bringing in the golden chipboard piece, and we're going to put it on the bottom right side of our card. And then we're going to add the cream your, and it's going to say your golden. And we've got a nice little sentiment on there. And then we're going to add the dark and light yellow chipboard hexagon piece to the left facing. And then we're going to bring in another one, and we're going to lay it next to it. And then we'll bring in a third one, and we're going to put it at the bottom left. And then we have got some bees that we're going to add to these. We're going to layer 1 on the 2 hexagons. And then we'll bring a couple more in. We're going to lay 1 on the lavender and then another one on our hexagon down below. And that will finish off this card. And that will finish off this kit. And I will get it out of my craft room. We've got our golden card, our sweet card with a jar. We've got our lavender, and we have our window, and then we have got our jars, and we've got 5 great cards, and I'm getting them out of my craft room. Here are some pictures. If you like the video, consider hitting like, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'd love to have you join my channel, and I've linked all the materials in the description box below. So thanks for watching, and have a great day. Here's a couple more videos for you to check out.